report's actually attached to the city report that FedCo carried today. It's got some findings. It provides a recommendation as to a path forward. So that's the good news. The bad news is it's going to cost more money, but we're going to litigate to get that money back. And unfortunately, it's another delay. And as much as I'm very disappointed that this bridge is not built, and there's no reason for it not to be built. Council followed its process, and we trusted our staff and the consultants and the designer to get the job done. At least nothing drastic happened to that structure had it been put in place with the current design.